This conference will now be recorded.
Yeah, first of all, welcome to SAP EWM space. Coming to myself, okay, my name is CK Reddy. Over 18 plus years experience in SAP. Yes. Okay, 8 years I worked as a consultant. Later I shifted to EWM. Remaining experience is EWM. Okay, I don't have anything in WM module. Okay, and coming to myself, I am an author. Okay, as of now, one book I published regarding EWM, and I am a topic leader, SCN topic leader, supply SAP Community Network topic leader for EWM couple of years. Okay, I am a blogger as well in SAP. This is my eighth year. Okay, eighth year in this training. Eighth year in training, and more than 4,000 plus got trained. Okay, they are working from consultant range to company heads as well. Okay, competence heads, company owners as well. Okay, and our approach is we cannot directly talk about the any SAP process and etc. First we discuss the business, then we configure in the business. First we configure in the system, whatever it may be the configuration, whatever it may be the master data, whatever it may be the process flow. And for each process, we following the 3 steps. The first one is the configurations. Next one is the master data. Okay. The third one is the process flow. Each and every process. Okay. First, what is the configurations are required to run any process. Then, what are the master data are required okay, to run that process. Then we can see the live example through the process flow. And every session I record and keep in one Google Drive, okay, with the full access. Please download day by okay on daily basis into your local laptop or desktops, okay, without any restriction we are providing it. Okay, and I I wrote a book. Okay, that book is a part of this training. Okay, and we will that available in the hard copy with black and white pages only. Okay, and we ship across the globe that book to all. Okay, that name is the EWM configuration and process flow. EWM guide for configuration and process flows. Okay, as of now, 2,200 books sold. Okay, across the globe. Okay, within a span of 4 years. And coming to here, okay, and I have my own company. I have my own company. We are executing projects. Company name is Arcus Global. Arcus Global. Okay. This one, our presence is at India, USA, and Germany as well. Okay, with more than 40 plus employees. And coming to this training, not at all related to my company. Okay, that is separate part, and this is my trainings are my passion. That's why I'm continuing this. Okay, we are executing a very big projects. This is about myself, sir. Now coming to here, we see the SAP EWM. Okay, EWM, Extended Warehouse Management. Extended Warehouse Management. Say some warehouse we need to give some package and etc. But please note that this is not an extension to any module. This is not an extension to any other module. This is purely independent module. This one is the independent module. and nothing is prerequisite to run. Okay, learn this EWM. Say, we don't require any MM, we don't require any SD, we don't require any ABAP, we don't require any WM as well. We require some business knowledge. That business knowledge these days we will get in okay YouTube's and etc. If we type without any SAP, what are the warehouse processes? Okay, we will get a clear idea how they are packing, how they are doing the placing or storing the products, how they are sending to the customers and etc. That knowledge is enough to go with this extended warehouse management. Please note that this is not an extension to any other module. Nothing is prerequisite. Okay, say here all my employees are that they don't know anything about any other SAP modules. They are pure EWM consultants. Okay, say here. And one more thing, say for example, we have some 10 years, 20 years experience in any other modules like SAP, MM or SD or ABAP, whatever it may be. If we joined as a EWM consultant, we should have to work as EWM only. No one can agree to give authorizations for ERP modules and etc. That part is separate, this part is separate. Okay, logically if we think normally company headquarters like plants and etc, they are keeping in city centers, okay, for easy accessibilities and etc with the customers, vendors and etc, say here. But coming to the warehouses, they are located in the outskirts of the cities, okay, not in the center of the city. Why? Because if they go with the center of the city, okay, we can see some traffic restriction, daytime vehicle movements and etc. Other departments cannot allow okay, operate trucks and etc in the daytime. So normally companies they maintain their corporate offices at the city center, but the warehouses are outskirts. Say inventory management people, those who are dealing with purchasing activities, sales activities and etc, they sit in the okay corporate office only. They cannot come to warehouses. Coming to in the warehouse, only warehouse related people, warehouse related IT team separately sitting in the warehouse. Okay, that's why that is also one region. ERP inventory management team is separate, warehouse management is separate. Okay, and coming to here, here one word is there, warehouse. What is meant by warehouse, we can check. Okay, in simple terminology we call this as a go down where we store the products, we store products in a okay disciplined way, or else whatever it may be, in a disciplined way, say here. And if we compare with our home, okay, say flat, that is also we can say one warehouse. Why? Because say kitchen relevant articles, we are products we keep in the kitchen, say in a discipline. Okay, say for example clothes and etc, some bedroom wardrobes, remaining dining table and chairs, like kind of things in the dining area, like kind of things. Okay, like we can arrange in a systematic way the same thing in warehouses. How it looks like we will check. And before going to that systematic way means, say one company is that they are dealing with automobile spare parts. Okay, automobile means say for example for one car manufacturing, at least we can see 20,000 plus products, from a small nut and bolt to tubes, tires, bumpers, glasses, everything. Okay, at least 20,000 products is required, okay, to manufacture one car. Say if one company is dealing with the spare parts, if they mix all the products in one corner, it's very difficult to identify. Say any dealer or customer asks for some cable. Okay, out of those 20,000, it's very difficult to in a single corner. Or if we mix all the things, very difficult to identify where that is the product is available and etc. Say if we go with a segregated way, like engine parts one corner, electrical parts another corner, and say body parts like tubes, tires, glasses in another corner, it's very easy to identify where the product is available and etc. Tracing and tracking. Within the engine also we can see again small products, medium products, big products. Small products means a normal clutch cable, brake cable, and etc. Okay, medium products, clutch plates, like kind of things. Okay, heavy products, gearboxes, and etc. Also. Within the engine parts area, again we go with the subdivisions, sectioning of that area. Okay, to easily identify and etc. Very simple to understand. Say, for example, if you go to any pharmacy store, we can see that they are writing some letters A series, one area, B series, another area, C series, another area. If we give any prescription with the seeing that, say, for example, that is M series, he can go there and M series, he can pick the tablet and provide to us, give to us. Say if we do not follow that discipline, it's very difficult to identify and etc. So yeah, we can say that warehouse is a physical building where we store the products in a systematic way. How it looks like, we will see. Say here, these are the warehouse buildings. Say here, this is one of the, say only four doors are there. Maybe this is a small one. And coming to here, here some 10 doors are there. This is medium size warehouse. And if we go to very big, say here, this is one of the big warehouse we can see like kind of things. Okay, say here depends on their volume of the products, volume of the business. Companies go with the warehouses. Okay, say here if we enter into the warehouse, if we enter into the warehouse, we see racks, shop floor, these kind of things. Say here some racks are there to keep the products. Say here also some rack is there. Okay, and if we go to some warehouses, some part, okay, say here this is also warehouse. If you see here left side racking system is there, right side shop floor is there, this open floor. Here also we are using this area also we are using to store our products, like okay, according to their convenient and their requirement and their growth. Say for example, one a newly constructed warehouse is there, definitely they need to okay, estimate their okay, future engagements as well. Say for example, as on today I am dealing with some 10,000 products, and okay, if I restrict it with the 10,000, one fixed building is means a small size building is required, but every year at least 15,000 or 15% growth if we are expecting, we should have to analyze what size of the warehouse is required. Okay, like kind of things we can see inside, we can see. And one concept is there called bins, storage bins. Storage bins are the lowest element in the warehouse. Those are looks like this. Say here, this orange color is there, blue color, this area calling as a storage bin, and these are also calling as a storage bin. These are also calling a storage bin. Normally, for each bin they give, say here, this is also some storage bin with the different capacities they maintain. And each and every storage bin has its own identification. Say for example, this is the own identification. Okay, say here unique ID we can find out. Okay, say for example, any system is providing where we need to keep the product means, okay, yes, for the system direction, first we should have to scan this area and then we need to keep the product here. Okay, this one. Now, first warehouse management in general, we will see what kind of processes or etc. Warehouse management in general. Say here, a warehouse management system is a key part of the supply chain and primarily aims to control the movement and storage of the materials. Okay, this slide is saying that key part of the supply chain. First, we should know what is meant by a supply chain. Say, if one company or one individual person wanted to start a business. That sentence is not completed. Okay, what kind of business you want to execute it? either manufacturing or else trading. If it's a manufacturing, either it's a pharma or else a mechanical industry, like kind of things. Say for example, that company or person decided to go with the pharmaceutical manufacturing company. Still, that is open only there. Then what he want to produce it? Okay. Say for example, if we want to concentrate on cold and cough syrups, okay, fine. One, okay, our goal is fixed cold and cough syrups. We want to manufacture it. Then we should have to plan first. Planning is the first part in the supply chain. Okay, coming to here, planning. Say, we want to sell those vaccines in the syrups in the India only or else other countries? Okay, let us say within India. Then what are the total market, okay, in the India in terms of that cold and cough syrups? Say for example, 1 crore units. What is our target? Say for example, within a year, I want to occupy 5% of the market. Then 5 lakh syrups. Okay. That the first one is the planning. That planning, if we want to go with any SAP and etc., say several modules are available, production planning or else, okay, IBP or APO modules, etc., are there. Now our target is fixed. Then where we want to produce that? Say we want to go with a landed premises or else, okay, home construction or something. Okay, one area is identified, and then we import or purchase the machinery from, okay, the suitable vendors and etc. Now that setup is ready to manufacture these syrups. Means if we want to go with the SAP, then enterprise asset module, that is latest one, or else plant maintenance module is required to uh, keep all this building machineries and etc. Fine, building is there, machinery is there, then who will produce it? First companies, they go for the HR or HCM departments, recruitments. Okay, say here if we want to go with SAP for that activities implementation, we should have to go for SAP HCM module or else HR module, etc. Now that administration team got appointed. Then, okay, to deal with the purchasing and etc. Okay, these are the planning. Okay, complete to start a business. Okay, say here the purchasing and etc. that comes under the SAP MM module. Okay, we recruited purchasing people, sales people, and finance people as well. Now, okay, purchasing team is ready. Okay, we require some raw material to manufacture that syrups and etc. Okay, raw materials. The purchasing team duty is to identify the suitable resources or suitable source of supply or suitable vendors, okay, to get that who is providing quality materials and what is the price and etc. comes under that. Okay, that is the job of SAP MM module or purchasing module or something. Now one fine day we have given the orders. One fine day raw materials came, where we should have to keep it in warehouse. Say first time warehouse coming into this okay cycle. Okay, fine. Okay, we stored our raw materials in our warehouse and etc. And parallelly to produce that products and etc. That HCM people recruited some skilled labor for production activities and etc. One fine day they want to produce these syrups. Where the raw material is available now? In the warehouse. From warehouse we need to provide the goods to production department. Second time warehouse is coming into this entire cycle. Okay. First time we receive the goods, raw materials in the warehouse. Second time we are providing that raw materials for production activities. Now, okay, after a week or else after 1 month, all the syrups are produced, manufactured. Then finished products are ready. Now, where we want to store that? Again, we need to store that in one corner of our warehouse. Third time. Now, parallelly, this HCM people, okay, recruited sales guys, right? The sales guys started to identify dealers, distributors, or customers, or etc. Okay, and they got some orders. We need to ship the syrups to the distributors or dealers. Where those are available? In the warehouse. Say here fourth time, from warehouse itself, we need to ship the products to this one. Say if we see this entire cycle, warehouse is how warehouse is a key part in this. That's why that is saying that a warehouse management system is a key part of the supply chain and primarily aims to control the movement and storage of the materials within a warehouse. And there are four pillars are there in warehouse. Everything executed, okay, in between of that four pillars. We will check that what are the four pillars. We are drawing our warehouse layout. Okay, this is our warehouse, and assume that we have some two doors. One door we are using for inward movements. Another door, another door we are using for this one. And nearby to the door area, we have some docking. Docking means temporarily we store the products. Actually, that is not the product's destination or staging. We can say that this one. And inside of the warehouse, we have two areas. One is the green zone, means some products we can store it. Another is blue zone. Assume that. Now we are dealing with green and blue products. Our intention is whenever we receive the green product, we should have to store here. Whenever we receive the blue product, we want to store here. This one. Say we asked one vendor, okay, to supply some green, one green and blue product. One day he sent to our warehouse, say here. Now these are waiting at warehouse door, these products. Now we need to receive this. This is the first pillar in our terminology. This is calling as a goods received. This is the first pillar. This is the first pillar. Say here. From outside to receiving into warehouse, this is goods received. Then, as for our strategies, this product we need to store here. This product we need to store here. Placement. Okay, in SAP terminology, we call it as a put away. The first one, four pillars are there. The first pillar is goods receipt. Next one, say here put away. If we split this word and read put away, we are putting somewhere else. Or okay, in general terminology placement. Okay, in SAP terminology, we call that put away. Say here. This is put away. This is also put away. Say here. This we need to keep to here. This we need to keep to here. This is the second pillar put away. This is the second pillar put away. Okay, this one. From docking area to we are moving to their respective storage zones. Now coming to here, our sales people got some orders. We need to send these products to customers. Say we need to pick the product and move to this area, docking area. Pick to product, move it to here. Okay, whenever truck is coming from here, we ship that. This activity is calling as a stock removal or picking. That is the third pillar. This from here to here, here to here. This is calling as a stock removal or else picking. Third pillar. This is calling as a stock removal or else picking. This one. This is the put second one. Now with this activity, the products are available in issuing docking area. Then we need to ship the products to the customer from here. That is fourth pillar. Fourth is shipping. This one. Fourth is shipping. Okay, these are the four pillars. Within these four pillars, several activities according to the business requirements we can execute. Say here. From here, we ship the products to customers. These are the four pillars. Say, for example, this green product is there, blue product is there. These are supplying by a same supplier or same vendor, nothing but. And he sent us one mixed packet. He sent us one mixed packet. Say here. Send us mixed packet and we received to our warehouse. But coming to our warehouse, this should be go to here, this should be go to here. What I can do, I move to one table or some soft floor area. This box mixed packet. Here I can unpack it. Say here. From here we move to here. From here we move to here. Say here. Now reverse we can see. One customer asked to send one green product and one blue product. Instead of sending separate shipments, what we can do, first we pick and move to here, another pick to move to here. Here we build a common shipping box, or else we pack in a same box, and further we move to the docking area, issuing docking area. From here we can ship. If we see here, whatever it may be, the packing, unpacking, and etc. kind of thing, okay, that is operating, or else that is executing in between of these four pillars. Okay, first one is the receiving, then placement or put away, third one is the stock removal, fourth one is the shipping. Okay, that it is saying a warehouse management system is a key part of the supply chain and primarily aims to control the movement and storage of materials in warehouse, within a warehouse, and process the associated transactions, receiving, put away, picking, and shipping. Okay, and now say for example, if we go within a warehouse management system, what is the benefits and etc. we need to see. The system also direct and optimize stock put away based on real-time information about the status of bin utilization. The system also direct and optimize the stock put away based on real-time information about the status of bin utilization. Very simple to understand. In our kitchen, one rice tin is there. The rice tin capacity is 20 kgs. Always we are using the same variety of the rice. Okay, and every month we are going to supermarket and bring the 20 kg some rice packet and keeping within the 30. Say, unfortunately, one mid of the month or else mid of the week, we went to some supermarket, some offer is going on that rice. Okay, say here we come to know that, okay, say I cannot bring 20 kg rice at a time. Why? Because already some rice is there within the tin. We can analyze, say either another okay how much rice is consumed out of the 20 kgs and etc. So let us say 6 kgs are consumed, 14 kgs are still there in that. Now this time I know the real time information of the 13 rice still. Okay, say what I can do, I can bring up to 6 kgs only, not more than that. Okay, like that is the same thing we can use in the warehouses as well. One side we see the real-time information to store the products and etc. Say for example optimization, again come to our own flat. Two tins are there in that case. Okay, two I filled with 20 kgs of rice. In the first tin some 8 kgs are consumed, second tin some 14 kgs are consumed. Okay, say here means first in still 12 kgs is there, second in, okay, 6 kgs are there. Okay, now I want to change my rice variety. In that case I require one empty tin. What I can do, the second tin already 14 kgs is consumed, right? Okay, only 6 kgs, here 12 kgs are there. This 6 kgs I place into the first tin, then I am getting one empty tin that I can use for the new variety of the 20 kgs rice. That is one of the optimal movement and optimization as well, according to our utilization. The same thing in warehouses also. Say here we will check it. The system also direct and optimize stock put away based on the real-time information about the status of bin utilization. Say for example, this is the green zone. Assume that each capacity of the bin is two, two products maximum. This one. Now, if we see here, as for our real-time information, okay, out of this four bins in this green zone, One is 100% occupied, one is 50% occupied, two are 0% occupied, means empty are there. With that information, we analyze that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products, same products, we can store in this area. That is nothing but real-time information and etc. Say for example, I want to optimize it. I want to optimize it. Say here within the same product or else another product also I want to use this area. But here two bins are 50% filled. If I move to here or else if I move to this to here, I am getting two bins. Means four new products I can place here. That is nothing but optimization of the bin utilization and etc. That it is saying. The system also direct and optimize stock put away based on the real-time information about the status of bin utilization. And a warehouse management system monitors progress of the products through the warehouse. It involves physical warehouse infrastructure, tracking system, and communication between product stations. What is it we can see? Say here, warehouse management system monitor. Monitor is nothing but a dashboard. Say for example, I want to get the quantity of the complete quantity of the green products in my warehouse across the warehouse now. If we see here 1 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 plus 4, 8, 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 2, 12 products are there across the warehouse. And I want to know how many green products are there in the receiving dock. Only two are there. I want to know how many blue products are there in the inbound unpacking area. One product is there. I want to know blue products, how many are there in the issuing dock? Only one. Like we can trace and track of the actual quantities across the warehouse. Okay, that is a warehouse management monitors the progress of the products to the warehouse. It involves the physical infrastructure tracking systems. Physical infrastructure means, say for example, how many bins are emptied. Okay, empty storage bins are the in the green zone. Only one. How many? That is real time information only. They are saying in a different way. Okay. How many are 50% filled? Two are there. How many are fully? One is there. Like kind of thing. And communication between stations. Say for example, I want to move from this to this. Okay. Say here, we require a document here to move this. Within that document, we should have to get how many products are there, what type of movement it is, these kind of things. That is nothing but communication between the product stations. This is sending means source. This is receiving means destination. Okay. If we go with any warehouse management system in general, these are the benefits we will get it. Okay. This is about the basic introduction of warehouse management. Okay. Any doubts regarding today's session? Tomorrow I will explain about important process in EWM tomorrow and after tomorrow. Okay. Take care. Any doubts? And please note that please provide your mail IDs in the group only. In the group only to provide recording session. Okay. And we use the same folder and daily we upload one record one session. We upload one recording. On the day's recording, we will do it. Okay. This. Okay, sir. Any doubts regarding this? And one more thing. Okay, during your free time. Okay, go to YouTube. Just to type warehouse processes and procedures. Please don't type any SAP or something. We don't require it SAP. Okay. Now first we should have to know the business. Warehouse processes and procedures. Okay. We can get several videos are there. Whenever you have some time. Okay. Just to go through those videos, what they are doing inside of the warehouse. Okay. To understand the warehouse operations. Okay. Say here. Warehouse processes and procedures. Okay. Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Any doubts regarding today's session? Okay,
Uh,
we will. Yeah,
sir,
please.
sir, here, Pranakar here. This EWM is a part of SAM, or the SAM is different and EWM is different, sir?
No, no, no. SEM means supply chain ma'am. That is generic word. Several modules are there.
Okay. But
SEM
EWM,
we can call supply chain execution. We can call several are there. SEM is a generic word, sir.
okay, okay,
Supply chain means from the planning to everything we should have to supply to the customers. Where it is
okay,
available, how it is planned, okay, like kind of things. Okay.
okay. Then EWM also comes under, it's a part of SAM only, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay,
Yeah. SEM extended warehouse management, actually we call it as.
okay, okay. Got it, sir.
Yeah. Okay, sir.
Sir, I have a question. Manu this side,
Yeah.
sir.
Yeah, please.
Sir, so sorry, sir, but it is not related to the session. Sir, how can we get the SAP access and how can we pay your fees, sir?
Sir, that's purely in person. I will. Okay. First, everyone should okay attend three demos and one or two sessions. Then I will
Okay,
ask in the group, are you comfortable with the trainings? Okay. First, attend is comfortable is important. So to learn any new topic.
okay, sir.
Okay. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Then only then only we will talk about other things. Not now.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Sir, one question, Praveen here.
Yeah, please. Tell me,
Uh,
sir.
do we, do we need to learn any software related work in EWM, or is it pure theoretical?
No, nothing, sir. Just go through the videos or to learn warehouse process and procedures. We execute those in our exam.
All right, thank you, sir.
Okay, if we go to any other countries, even freshers are going to work in the SAP college freshers. Okay, yes, they got trained by some companies, other countries. Here only the people are expecting how much experience we have, etc. Okay. If we know the some business knowledge, it's very easy to execute this PWS. Okay, people are saying this is critical, but very easy if we learn in one systematic way. Okay, one by one. If we break the logic, it's very dead easy this topic compared to other logistic models like MMS, GFSEO. This is very easy topic. Okay, so, but practice is very important for this model. Okay, theoretically it's very good, but okay, practice. Say we get some tons of errors and we should have to this one what rectify ourselves. Say this group, WhatsApp group is going to work as a technical forum as well. If we are getting an error, instead of immediately posting in that group, okay, trial and error method. That satisfaction is very different and that gives a boost and that gives a confidence to us. Oh, we resolved ourselves like kind of things. Okay.
Okay.
Sir,
Okay.
sir, implementation, suppose if you want to implement SAP EWM, earlier we use general SAP methodology we use. And any method, specific methodology or anything focus on that
Those
area.
are these days agile and waterfall methods or something these are okay. Say first we should have to communicate with the customer and we let know what are the processes are they are using and how we can map and etc. Okay, then we go with this. Okay. Depends on sir,
Some,
waterfall method, agile method is there.
no. Activate SAP methodology is popular in recent
Yeah,
days.
that's also
But,
there. That is a, yeah.
so is that knowledge is effective when using the implementation projects when you are going
No,
with the
nothing.
project?
What is nothing is required. Sir. Just we should know their own processes and we should know. Those are for timelines. Those are decided timelines. Say for example, yes, for Adobe methodology or this one, if I fix the timeline December 31st and the process is very easy, why should I wait for December 31st? We can make it before the November 15th and we will take rest for remaining of 45 days. And or else we go with various testings and etc. Like, that kind of things. Okay.
So
Or
those are
else
for
we
the
can,
one.
yeah, we can keep ourselves ready. On that date, we can release it. Okay. Like that.
For the those are for project managers. It will be helpful. Project managing.
That's what we can prepare ourselves and on same day, what is the timelines and we should have to show green in our project that date, we can release that configuration. Not before that. Or else not after that. Okay. Not required, sir. Those kind of things later we can discuss. Okay, please do consider on the EWM process and how to configure and how to execute all these things. Okay.
Sir, one more doubt over here. So this like EWM again integrated to MM, or like it's not an integration part will be there?
Integration means that this available in a separate system only. Say for example, whenever we receive the products into our warehouse, that means okay on the air we cannot receive product, right? The receiving
Right.
the product back end some purchase orders are there. Purchase order comes into the EWM. We can say that is integration. And say without any documentation we cannot ship to the customers, right? Say maybe in the
Sure.
SD they create some sales orders, against those sales orders so we are issuing these products like kind of things. Okay.
Okay.
Okay sir, thank you. Please okay, type your mail IDs in the group only. Okay, after 45 minutes this video is available. Thank you so much. Okay, tomorrow we'll meet again.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank
Thank
you.
you, sir.
Thank you so
Thank you,
much.
sir.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.